falls soft outside tonight, oh so still. Firelight paints the room so bright, I feel a chill. Remember summer days, now frozen haze. Fireplace burning low, tell me stories I don't know. Whispers in the glow. Fireplace, empty cups and books on shelves, dusty and old. I imagine happy elves and stories told. Fireplace burning low, tell me stories I don't know. Whispers in the glow. Fireplace, is it real or just a dream? Lost in the embers green.
City sleeps beneath the snow, quiet blankets soft and low, street lights glow, do you know what it means to be alone on a night that echoes home? Silent night, my heart ain't light. Silent night, nothing feels right. Fake smiles round the Christmas tree, presents given carefully, not for me, can't you see? I just need a place to hide, where my lonely soul can ride. Silent night, my heart ain't light. Silent night, nothing slow. World is white, so far below. Angels sing a silent tune. Sleep is coming very soon. Close your eyes now, don't you weep. Little one, it's time for sleep. Winter still, winter bright, everything is alright. Winter still, holy night, holding you so tight. Candle glow, a warm embrace. Smiling faces fill this place. Memories we hold so dear. Love is always, always near. Winter still, winter bright, everything is alright. Winter still, holy night, holding you so tight. Stars above are shining free, shining down on you and me. Dreams are born in peaceful light. Sleep now, sleep through the night. Winter still, winter bright, everything is alright. Winter still.